a lorry in today. Next door to my workshop, there's a scaffold firm there. Had no power at all. It was quite sluggish last week. I did say to him I could have a go on it and see if I can sort it out. They do a bigger machine than this for big Arctic units, but I thought I'd do a little experiment here. It sounds better already, but it has been on there an hour and a half, 2 hours for a lorry. Can do an hour stint and then an hour stint, I suppose, but I'm doing it. It's got no problem with ticking over for 2 hours, so get it cleaned in the 2 hours and see how it is. I can't drive this truck. I would do, but I can't, so I'm insured for it, so I have to wait for the guy to drive it and see if I can get some response out of it, if it's better or not. It seems better. Obviously it needs to be put under load. See if it's pulling now. I'll try and get another one posted. Right.